ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
I'm your host, IK, and this is Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
This is Mr. Robbie, and today we're going to be interviewing him some questions because we were driving on the road and we happened to see his fantastic drum skills, and so we decided to stop by and give it a check out. So, what are you doing here today, Mr. Robbie?
Oh, I'm celebrating Father's Day. Because I'm a father for the first time at 58.
Wow.
Yeah, but I tried to get my son. His name's Kanan. Yeah.
And you look fantastic at 50. The age that you're at, you look fantastic. So, it's really compliment.
Well, you know, I appreciate the compliment. Sometimes looks are deceiving, as we well know. And, you know, we like to judge a person by the content of their character and, you know, not by the way they look.
That's really good speech.
I think that's what the world needs. A lot more love, and since I got my kid, I'm all about that.
Spreading love.
That's true.
Wise words.
Well, you know, I mean, it's hard to do all the time.
That's true.
Like,
the world can be kind of
let's put it
harsh.
to you this way: if you were next to a serial murderer and he was going to kill you or she, but you were nice to him, they might not do it. Roll with it.
You are who you
Blessing
are.
and a curse at the same time.
Bottom line is, be happy every day. You know, you guys are young. And for me, at 58, every day I wake up and I still feel good. I'm going to enjoy today, try to make the best of it, and, you know, have a good day. And because, you know, getting old sucks. Making the most of the opportunities that are out there.
Yes, sir.
You
Well,
have to just live your life. Live every moment.
They gave you guys all kinds of tools. We didn't have these tools when I was young.
so you have the internet now, which has really done more than half the work for a lot of the people in the new generation.
I just made a huge impact on the world. So, how awesome am I again? Tell me how awesome I am.
I want to ask one question, just so you can give us some more advice and some wisdom. What would you give for your advice for young people then?
Look, you guys are already rocking and rolling. You know what I mean? You guys are taking you guys are taking advantage of what you got to you. And you know what? You stay clear-minded, stay ahead of the game. Because, you know, I was born in 1962. And to fall back in the late 70s, early 80s, maybe you could still rebound. You know what I mean? But nowadays, you fall behind, you got a lot of work to do to catch back up. So you know what? Don't even waste your time. Somehow, these words of wisdom were wanted from me. And I don't even know those are words of wisdom. I'm just saying, life is better without it. You'll do better. You'll do more. You'll stay out of trouble. Your mom and dad won't hate you. You know what I mean? Mom and dad, in a proper sense, are going to love you more than anyone else. So their advice, you know, they're only saying that because they care so much. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I mean, imagine, I was in the hospital the other day and my son had to have a procedure and they put an IV in it. And when I seen him wincing, I felt this pain.
Yeah.
I felt this pain. So what that's saying is that, you know what? Feelings that people have for you, no one's going to have more feelings for you than your mom.
Powerful words.
You know what I mean? You got to love your mom because mom loves you more, even when she's super mad at you. She still loves you no matter what.
Exactly.
So be good to mom and dad, you know.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
all I mean,
That was really, really
Just-
good advice, though.
try to love your neighbor. Look, at rule of thumb. Love your neighbor the way you want to be loved.
Thank you, Mr. Robbie, for sitting down for our interview. He was so kind. He gifted International King a famous guitar from the player Dimebag Darrell and his band Pantera. It makes us completely in awe of his generosity and his free spirit. We're completely inspired to keep on following his loving actions. So once again, thank you to Mr. Robbie. Thank you. Thank you for sitting down with us, and peace out.